Hi, I'm Chris Ross with Chasm. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your initial floor plan with the Locera 2.0 3D Maps page. So when you first start with Locera, you're going to want to set up an admin role. Here I've got an example customer I set up with full admin access. So I'm going to log in here. On the left, you can see we've got all of our transponders, and they're getting information from our database and our RTLS real-time location system. But Locera can't show any of that information until there's some kind of a map or a space that they can reference and get that information off of. So to fix that, we are going to go to our map page. Here's all of our transponders. And if we look on the map, they're all just coming in at 0, 0 because they don't really know what to do yet. So I'm going to go to the admin panel, go to upload floor image. I'm going to give it a floor image name. And then I'm going to go in and select an image. Now we can do JPEG or PNG images right now. In the future, we might be able to do CAD files or something like that. But for right now, we're just gonna choose a file, open a PNG. There it is. We're gonna crop this image. We wanna get it to as close as we can to the width and the height that is in our RTLS system data. So if we match it all up, crop it, save it, that should match our length and width exactly to our RTLS. And we should be able to get all the information as close to the RTLS system as possible. So I'm going to save this. Normally, you would put in that width and your height from your RTLS right here. But in this case, since it's just an example, we're going to use our resolution. Just bump it up 10%. So 383. And the height is 560. The Y offset and the Y flip, those are meant to expand the space that we can map in case you wanted to map like a dock or an outside area of your building. Since our example doesn't really have that, we don't have to mess with that too much right now. If we save that, here comes our floor plan from the database. And everything is looking good. Now you're ready to add areas and geofences, and all of our data comes up on our dashboard. You can see that we have coordinates now, and you're ready to go. And of course, you can always delete your area from the database and put a new floor plan in if you get a higher resolution version of it or a higher detail version. That's really easy to do. So there you go. That's how easy it is to set up your floor plan with Locera 3D Maps page. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or contact us at our website at locera.io.